In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and use Opera's VPN. So this is a free VPN provided by the Opera browser. It works pretty well. You can connect to many different countries, and I'm going to show you how to enable it. So what you want to do once you've downloaded Opera, go to the settings on the left, and this is how I find it. There are other ways to get to it, but I just go to settings and go to search settings, and then just search for VPN. So once you've done that, you're going to have their VPN and VPN Pro. If you click on their standard VPN, you can then go ahead and enable this. And you can also enable Connect VPN when you're starting the browser if you want the VPN to always be on. That's going to enable this VPN up here, and you can choose where you're connected to. So right now we're connected to the optimal location. We can choose somewhere in Europe or Asia, or we can choose any different continent. So if you've got this VPN sign, it means you're connected. You can then go ahead and browse with that VPN. So right now we're connected to Europe. So if I type in what's my IP address, it should then say we're browsing here from Europe. Yep, so we're browsing from London. So that's how you can use the Opera GX built-in VPN.